The stack concept is an abstract structure that uses the last-in, first-out LIFO principle and comprises many pieces. It has two primary operations, push and pop. The push operation adds an item to the top, while the pop operation removes it. Stacks are used in both computer memory management and programming, divided into technology stacks and application stacks. A stack is a fusion of multiple technologies, including programming languages, frameworks, libraries, and tools. MERN stack development comprises 4 technologies: MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. The MERN stack is the process of building a website using these 4 technologies, creating a seamless development environment for web and mobile applications. MongoDB is the core of MERN, a NoSQL data store offering flexibility and scalability. Unlike traditional relational databases, MongoDB uses a document-oriented approach and stores data in a JSON-like BSON format. Its schema-free approach makes adapting data structures easy, which is especially useful in agile environments. MongoDB is ideal for content management, social networking, or e-commerce. Express.js is a minimal web application framework that runs on Node.js. It provides robust features to simplify building APIs and server-side apps. Express middleware architecture allows developers to efficiently handle tasks such as routing, request handling, and error management. Its lightweight and flexible nature makes it a great choice to power backends for MERN stack apps. React, developed by Facebook, revolutionized web application creation. It is a JavaScript component library that allows developers to build reusable UI elements. These components can be updated and rendered when the data changes. The virtual DOM concept ensures maximum performance, minimizing direct manipulation of the DOM. React's declarative syntax and one-way data binding enhance code readability. Node.js, built using the V8 JavaScript engine, allows server-side JavaScript execution. Its non-blocking, event-driven I/O makes Node.js a great choice for building scalable network applications. Node.js connects the front-end React component to the Express APIs on the back-end. This unified JavaScript development environment reduces context switching and facilitates communication between back-end and front-end teams. MERN's true power lies in its synergy. MongoDB's flexible storage system perfectly matches Express.js for data manipulation. React's component-based design simplifies creating dynamic user interfaces, while Node.js seamlessly handles back-end operations. This unified approach improves developer productivity, reduces learning curves, and enhances collaboration between teams, making the MERN stack a powerful development tool. MERN's modular design allows developers to quickly create, iterate, and test features. Isomorphic rendering enables rendering on both the client and server, improving performance and SEO. MERN supports horizontal scaling and handles large data sets, making it suitable for applications requiring growth. React's architecture facilitates interactive and dynamic user interfaces, resulting in a smoother user experience and increased engagement.